The complete guide to Psyllium Husk Colon Cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam, and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon, which results in low energy, headaches, and an overall uncomfortable feeling in your body. And like most of you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 5 steps for Psyllium Husk Colon Cleanse and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Step number 1. Choosing your psyllium. Apart from being a bike-forming laxative, psyllium is rich in soluble fiber, and you can choose one type of psyllium. You can choose from the various products with psyllium husk. They are extracted from the psyllium plant seeds, so you don't have to worry if they are natural or not. You have several choices, and they come in the form of wafers, granules, powders, capsules, and liquids. All of the above products are some of the oral psyllium husk products that people can use about once or thrice each day. Step number 2. Use as directed. It's one thing to buy the best product in the market, but another to fail to use it as directed. This can be by your doctor or the directions on the packaging of the product. After carefully reading the instructions and getting the correct dosage, you can take the psyllium husk in the form that you chose. This should only be after meals, and here's the reason why. Taking it immediately after or before meals can interfere with digestion. Taking the psyllium as directed might just get you the results you wanted within a short time. Step number 3. Drink water. Most people are unaware of the fact that the process of cleaning the colon can lead to dehydration. Are you ready to drink as many as 8 cups a day? You should be, so as to hydrate your body and to help move nasty waste which is in your body. Additionally, consuming water will help in preventing side effects when you use some of the psyllium husk products. Such products include wafers, granules, and powder. Step number 4. Well-balanced diet. After cleaning their colons, most people just sit back and think the job is done. They don't have an idea of where to pick it from there to ensure that their bodies continue being healthy. The next step should be to eat well, and this means choosing a well-balanced diet every day. You should avoid sugary snacks, chips, and fast food meals, which are highly processed and very low in nutrients. All these items will hinder the process of digestion and nullify every effort you have put into your colon cleansing. That will be such a waste of time and resources, right? To avoid wasting precious time and resources, you should ensure that your plate entails foods such as leafy greens. You can also eat whole wheat, pasta, high fiber breads, and lean meats. Step number 5. Exercise your body. Most people feel a shiver running down their spines every time you mention the word exercise in their presence. Exercise during the process of cleansing your colon using psyllium husk can really further your cause. In this regard, you can take a walk in your neighborhood and make sure you do that in a brisk manner so as to break a sweat. You could also engage someone in an intense tennis match so that your body can benefit from running around the court. Other people choose to jog in the mornings and evenings, while others would rather ride a bicycle. Regardless of the type of exercise that you choose, you should ensure that you can do it for about 30 minutes on a daily basis. This will help enhance your efforts to clean the colon. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine, and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Bowel Colon Control that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/easy or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Bowel Colon Control. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
My bowels were so unpredictable. I started fearing just going outside my front door, which is a little constraining. But with colon control, my bowels have been completely normalized.
So, as you can see, Bowel Colon Control works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Bowel Colon Control in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/easy. My name is Sam, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I see you in the next video.